Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. I am out in Las Vegas. We are filming for the new Banging Gears TV show where they're putting JDM cars or tuner cars against supercars, exotics, and so forth. So I was initially supposed to bring my Ferrari SF90 Stradale out here. Transport got delayed, storms, all kinds of crazy stuff, and the car didn't make it out. So being in a pinch, already being out here for a week filming, I hit up Houston from Royalty Exotics, and he got me a Ferrari F8, which I thought was a Tributo, but it ended up being a Spider, so a little bit heavier. Brought that car out here, and it had no brakes, and the tires were bald. So Houston did me a favor and brought out a brand new Lamborghini Huracan STO to race. And what we're doing is two formats. We're doing some road course work out here at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and then we're gonna hit the drag strip and do some drag racing. And I am racing Sonic in a Honda Civic, but this is not an ordinary Honda Civic. Not only is it super clean, the thing looks freaking brand new except for, well, the exhaust coming out of the hood, so you know there's a freaking monster turbo sitting under there. Yeah, and he actually tuned it down, and he put down 995. So, oh, sorry, 995 horsepower to the wheels, whereas the Huracan here would be lucky to put down, I don't know, 530 or something like that. The Huracan's rated at 631 horsepower, but it's a weak kind of dyno. It's not like a McLaren where it makes kind of mad power and overrates it.
For the quarter of the price, 1,000 wheels, like, it's a no-brainer, right?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Make comments. What do you want? You want STO or Honda Civic? Let's go ahead and give it a check out because you guys have seen this stuff before. And we're doing two kind of races. I'm going to race you around the road course, lap times.
Lap times.
You have a lot of track experience?
No road course, but...
No road course? Yeah, I mean, I'm drag time, so I got no road course either, right?
Yeah.
But now I'm in the ultimate road course car.
You are in the ultimate car.
Yeah. So what do you think your odds against me?
At the road course?
On the road course.
I think you got me.
You think I got you on the road course?
I think you got me covered for sure.
Okay.
But
drag racing?
You got your work cut out for you.
I believe
That's what I do.
I thought you were supposed to turn it down a little bit.
I'll turn it down a little bit for you.
He's lying. He's not turning down shit. They always say that, and then you see the turbo that really can't be turned down. On wastegate, you're probably on the wastegate right now.
Wastegate, we probably make the same power.
On the way, you think, what?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
You already turned it down, you're at 1,000. What's the max power?
Honestly, the level here, the DA here is different.
Yeah.
But I think back home, I'd make like 1,200 wheel.
1,200 wheels. So on the wastegate, you should be making 600.
Wastegate, I make like 600.
You're right. Yeah. He knows his numbers. Yeah. Okay. I got you. All right. So let's check it out. Look how clean this is.
It's not bad. All-wheel drive. This is like the all-wheel drive platform for the Civics is just starting to come out, but all-wheel drive Civic, they're unstoppable, you know, with that power. Like, especially on the street or track, they're great.
What does it weigh, like 1,500 pounds?
No, I can get it to, with the all drive setup, you can get them to like 2,000 pounds. This car weighs 27 with me in it. I have radio, full interior. It's a full street car.
Full street car. When they say that, we're not always sure, but let's see. Let's see.
Give me your honest opinion.
Let's see. I mean, it's...
You can put a car seat back there.
You can, yeah, you're not lying.
Works. The car
wait, there's a bottle back here. What is that, cheater bottle?
No, it's a CO2 bottle.
CO2.
I got
a laughing gas? What are you doing, whippets in there? What are you doing in there driving, huh?
Wastegate shut when I race you.
I don't even know what that means. All right.
All the power.
Yeah, so he's got, obviously, full engine management. Bit nice radio down there. Look at this shifter. I mean, yeah, what do you got, 4-speed?
4-speed.
Okay.
Dog box.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Dog box.
Strain gauge is there.
So you still use the clutch with that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Well, I don't use the clutch when I go to the racetrack on slicks.
Okay. Now it looks like you should have a parachute on here. I don't know.
I should with that power level. I should have a full cage and parachute, but I don't. They told me don't come here with a parachute.
They said don't come with a Civic SI.
Very rare. Do you know about
There you go. You know what's funny? My buddy had a Civic, the CRX.
Okay.
And there was like, and this is in high school, before you're probably born. Anyways, and he put the sticker on that said SI when it really wasn't an SI.
Yeah, people do that for the Integras, like exactly. Type R. It's not really. This is a real SI.
It's a real SI.
Sunroof.
Because it's got the sunroof.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this car is super rare.
Yeah, it looks great. Yeah.
What do you think about it overall? I know you're not a Honda guy, but
I have a Honda Pilot. I own a Honda.
Oh
we went over this.
He asked me. The Honda community.
Is it what?
The Honda community.
He's like, yo, you into Hondas? I said, yeah, I got a Honda Pilot. He's like, no, bro, that doesn't count.
It's not the same.
No, it's not the same. Of course, it's not the same. But no, I've never. Well, yeah, that's my first Honda was the Honda Pilot, and I just use that to get around in Tennessee.
I use this to get around too.
I hear you. I hear you. Now, Huracan STO. I mean, let's kind of go over this. 631 horsepower. This is the ultimate kind of track car from Lamborghini. It's got 631 horsepower, 5.2 liter, naturally aspirated V10.
Did you tell them the mileage on the car?
It's brand new, 120 miles.
Yeah,
so I'm breaking it in.
I couldn't believe that.
Yeah. Now, we can do a break. So we're doing acceleration tests and the track tests. So if I get you in the track test, then we go on to the acceleration, which is quarter mile. He told me this thing had run low 8s.
Yes.
I mean, that's a whole different world in this car. This car won't even go 10s.
This setup ran 8s in a maybe 2,200 pound car. Okay. Like low 8s. So
gotcha.
I'm thinking like 890. Even if I go 9.0 or 9.5.
You still got me.
I don't know. You know
what? This won't even run 10s.
It's drag racing.
This won't even run 10s.
Hold on, I need to say something.
Okay.
It's like, you ever seen drivers that jump in a car that got 2,000 horsepower can't drive? It's all about the driver, right?
All right, so maybe you can't drive. Highly unlikely, because he said he wanted a Pro Tree. Any guy who wants a Pro Tree can drive. No. This guy, you can't do Pro Tree in the exotics. It doesn't work.
Why?
There's too many buttons to press and stuff to get into the launch mode.
Look, I'm racing. You got this.
No, stop. We're not.
I'm trying to burn you down.
No. You're gonna burn me down the tree too? Plus, I've been through that. I know how that works.
I don't
worry.
care who I'm racing. I'm not that best.
I'm not that. Dude, they're probably not how all that's set up anyways. But I'll tell them you try and burn me down. No Pro Trees. There's no Pro Trees.
I'm Pro Tree.
You're the only one who could do a Pro Tree here.
Pro Tree or regular tree, I'm in there.
Okay, sure. Sportsman's tree.
That's fine with me.
Okay.
Whatever they want up there, I'm with it.
And there's also a braking test that we're gonna do, and I think my brakes are bigger than his wheels.
But
what size wheels are these?
15s.
Oh, I'm pretty sure these are 15-inch rotors. Look at that. Yeah, my brakes bigger than his wheels.
But did you tell them you have to get to 100 first and then brake? So who's gonna get to the 100 first? 0 to 100, then brake.
All-wheel drive with 900 horsepower? Let me think about it. Not me.
That might actually be a good one.
Not me.
It is. It's going to be good.
Because he can go, but he can't brake. You got to remember that.
So that'll be good to see. Because I'm going to be in the car with the e-brake lifted to the top.
He's going to have his foot out the door trying to stop.
Well, this is going to be fun. I think before we get started, let's do a little rev battle. You want to do that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah? Okay, let's hear it.
That's cool.
All right, let's go, Sonic.
That's gonna be tough.
Let's hear the Honda.
You said it like with not enough.
Let's hear the Honda. Oh, I was gonna go back there, but we have to be up here for yours because your exhaust comes right out the hood. Wait, it doesn't start. There it goes.
So the Civic, I couldn't get it on two-step. I wanted to show you some flames.
Okay.
For the road course, I can't. I have to turn the two-step off.
Okay. Well, I think you broke my eardrum anyway. So I think it was really loud.
So drop in the comments. What car do you think sounds better, the STO or the Civic?
Yep. And check out Banging Gears. And we don't know when it's gonna air, but good luck.
Yeah, good luck to you too.
Okay. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Helps the video and the channel. And we'll see you next video.